Hey y'all, it's Pops from Man vs. Fish. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a small Tackle Warehouse unboxing for you because we had to order some new stuff for spring. But before we start opening everything up, we'd like you to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share these videos with folks because the way we look at it, fishing should be fun. It should be shared. We want everybody to get better at what they're doing. So we're going to show you a few things we picked up for this spring. First off, yes, we've got several colors of the Strike King KVD 200 series jerkbait. We use this one because it's a 2-hook version, and sometimes we don't necessarily want 3 hooks on them, especially in the spring when the fish tend to be a little more aggressive. 2 hooks they'll get them most of the time. And that way we don't have to hurt the fish anymore or stress them out any more than we need to by putting any more holes in them. So we like those. And then we wanted to pick up a couple more Lucky Craft square bills. These particular square bills do have a sound because we fish some muddy water, and this American shad and crawfish color have done very well for us in the past. We just needed to pick up a couple more. And then we wanted to give this Frittside 5 Junior a try. It's a very small bait, only weighs 1/4 ounce. You can still cast it real well on casting gear if you have the right gear. But again, we will fish some heavily pressured lakes. Sometimes you have to downsize your offering. You still want to give them something they want. And for the spring, with slightly colder weather and they're looking to fatten up, we like that flat side version. And now we have several little terminal tackle goodies. The Owner Flashy Swimmer. We like the Willow Leaf, and typically this is what we get. The 3/0 and 3/16, and I'll show you why in a minute. But we also get the Gold Colorado blade along with the Silver Willow Leaf blade. Now, we do use snaps for changing baits, certain baits like square bills and jerk baits. There's one little trick to using the snap with these types of baits though. What you want to do is don't hook it to the O-ring. Hook it to the eyelet, let the O-ring hang underneath, then you don't impede the action any more than is necessary. So that might help somebody. And here we have the Gamakatsu G Finesse Shaky Heads. We've used these, again, with a lot of success because the way they're designed, and I don't know if you can pick it up, but there's a little tiny extra barb between the head and your keeper there, which really helps hold your plastics well. It has a long shank hook, and these hooks are sticky sharp. The heads go through cover real well, particularly grass, things like that. So if you've never tried these, give them a try. They're not bad. And then, of course, for swim baits, we like the Z-Man weedless eye jigs. These have been fantastic for us and continue to produce. Now we ran across Biz Baits, I think 1.5 years ago. They make great products. Somehow, these are very salty, but they still float. So we're gonna give them a shot this spring in terms of shaky heads and some other applications for them, because we're just now scratching the surface. If you've ever used Biz Baits, drop a comment, let us know which ones you like and why you like them. But so far, we've been really impressed with their baits, their colors, and the company. It's just been fantastic for us. Now, the other thing in spring, a lot of you guys, and us too, we like to flip. So we ran across this season. This is the Goat. You notice we have it in several colors. This is the 3.75-inch version, which you can cut down for a trailer. You can Texas rig it. You can Ned rig it on a larger Ned rig so you can fish it deeper. You can do a lot with this bait. So we're going to give these a try because the profile on this is a little more subtle, and again, for pressured fish, sometimes that's what you need. And last but not least, we have some more Exo Swims because this has become one of our favorite swim baits, and when we run out, we got to get more. So that's about it. Love to hear what y'all think in terms of these different baits, whether you've tried them, haven't tried them, have some suggestions on how to rig them, let us know. Again, it's all about having fun, everybody learning more and catching more fish. We'll catch you next time.